everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick impromptu because I just want to film videos. It's part of my routine now. And if you like this makeup look, I don't know if I like it. First I had to try it out and see whether I liked it. I'll probably know by the end of the day, but I wanted to show you this lip. Remember I wanted to get the soft matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi, but I ended up getting Can instead and thought it was really bit bright and red. Well, when you look at the bottle of Abu Dhabi, which I've just bought, it looks like it's really dark, but it's not. You see? It's almost not dark enough, but it will do for autumn. So I'm going to swatch the two. Oh, I've just creamed my hands. This is my little boots haul I did the other day. So this is Can. Now look at that. That's quite berryish. It's quite, you know, a statement lip. But for every day, you know, it's every day you're popping out, you know, you might not want to wear something like that. That for me is like summertime. Then we've got Abu Dhabi, which actually, can you see? It's quite a nude. It's a really different, yet they look, you know? Anyway, I've got Abu Dhabi on now and I've paired it with MAC Spice lip liner. But it's quite a nice, oh, I hate when this happens. Okay. It's quite a nice, if you're looking for something brownish, but you don't want it to look too brown, then this is a good colour. You could put a dark lip liner with it if you wanted, but it's got quite a nice one for autumn. It was what I was wearing in my Instagram picture the other day, my previous video I posted. So I just thought I'd show you that. So I picked that up. I also picked up, because a lovely subscriber and friend of mine on here mentioned La Roche HydraPhase eye, and what she said, what sold me on this, said you can use it all around the eye, so you can use it just up on the eyelid as well. It comes out as a gel, so if I squeeze it, it's just gel, so it's not an eye, it says eye, does it say eye cream? It's called HydraPhase HA. It's a very light gel like this, but it's really hydrating, but it also kind of gives a little bit of tightening. So it's really, really nice. And you can put loads of it on. I can put it all around, and I think it's like softened my smile lines like majorly. Look, and that's this. Really good, loving it. Absolutely loving this. So thank you for the recommendation. Like I said to somebody in the comments, your recommendations are like gold dust to me, because I love word of mouth. I don't want to know what the major big thing is all the TikTok people are using. I couldn't care less. But if like Barbara next door tells me her favourite mascara, I'm on it. You know what I mean? I just think it's just a bit more personal, a bit more trustworthy, do you know? So yeah. Then I picked up the Mini NARS Climax Mascara. I'm wearing it now. I wouldn't purchase this. The brush is too fat, so underneath it doesn't really, it's hard to put underneath. And also, if you've got thick lashes and you just want long lashes, then it's great, but it just doesn't do anything. It doesn't thicken the lashes. I don't feel like I've got the effect that I want from my mascara. I much prefer the Rimmel. I've had to throw that away now because I think it was like a dirty wand. I was like getting styes, but yeah, you've got to throw your mascaras out, get new ones, wash your brushes. But that one, it's so cheap, but it does such a nice lash. I even prefer it to the Hourglass Unlocked. So, I mean, I just thought I'd try this because everyone was like, oh, it's so, so good. But really, I just don't feel like it's done much to my lashes, personally. Then for my makeup today, I told you I got the sample of the 2N2 Buff Estee Lauder, which I have on today. But I've buffed over the top of that with BareMinerals. I've got a massive spot here, and I've picked a massive spot here, so, you know. So let's look at this side. Yeah, I've buffed over BareMinerals Original, which is what I used to do back in the day. If I was going out, I would always do double wear and buff BareMinerals over the top, and it looked amazing. So that's what I've done today. What do we think? I find you get the real effect of BareMinerals when it's over a foundation, because it's kind of, sticks. So yeah. So there we go. It's a really short video. I just wanted to get on here because I wanted to show you those bits. I wanted to talk to you about the eye cream. If you've got any questions, any video suggestions, then please let me know below. Okay? Thank you very much. I hope you're well. I hope you're having a lovely weekend, and I will chat to you soon. Ta-da!